Not too bad on this one. I only had to do it a couple of times over. This one had a bad throttle shaft in it. It was it rocked back and forth really bad. On the bottom, I mean, the hole isn't wallered out here or on the bottom. It was just this itself. I mean, that's pretty bad. And I think they just didn't have it adjusted correctly, so the governor just kept opening and closing and opening and closing, and it was just wearing the shaft out, because this thing didn't even look that old at all. But the guy got this from me. I guess it was sitting on a shelf for quite some time. And I went through it, cleaned it all out. I tried it, and the valve body on the throttle, the butterfly, wasn't on right though either. So I did that, went through, put a new bowl gasket on it, put a new washer on the bottom of it, cardboard washer, new jet for the low air mixture, and it seems to work pretty good now. I don't know if this stupid thing up here is leaking or what. You see a little bit of a leak, even though it's got a new gasket, but it might just need to be tightened up a little more. I don't like to really tighten them too tight. And this is where I need my stubby wrenches. That. Let's see what that does. Yeah, because all you do is you just squish that down and you just actually ruin the gasket. I mean the O-ring gasket, the rubber O-ring gasket. Might have taken care of it. Good to go. If you ever had that surging back and forth like that though, where it wants to just a little bit, when you got it at high throttle, you might want to get down there in that screw and give it like, you know, a half turn in. I mean, I would leave it like right at full throttle and then get down here and start just turning it in until that stops, because it's way too far out. And then you can go ahead and, like, you know, and if it doesn't start changing, you can just back it back up to get it, you know, at the highest RPMs you can. But anyways, make sure there ain't no more gas on it. Still looks like a little dampness. I might have to tighten that down just a little more. Thing is, I don't know if it'll be coming out of that. Yeah, it's way up here on top. It's probably running down on it from that, the pump itself. Yeah, you always put Teflon tape on them, and I have them because I have the thing off and on and off and on. Well, not just like this carburetor, but all these carburetors I do. But yeah, that's probably what it is. But when I pull it off there, I'll look at it and make sure. And but anyways, there she is. Other than it's got 62.2 on it, that should say 62.5 is what it should. It seemed to me it said 12 or something on the bottom of the carb. Yeah. But anyway, there it is.